funny that he has to spit first.
Because that's his reenactment.
He's like, what happened?
Gavin? Dad.
What happened?
Oh my god.
Now let's see if he has that. What happened?
I don't know. What happened, Gavin? What was it? What did it do?
Where's the juice going? Oh no.
Ready? Here we go. Here's the big finale.